Hello people, how you doing? This is Gus. I'm going to tell you how to write Korean cursive. There is a font called 흘림체, but I'm not sure what exactly they say. I don't know what the official word for that. I'm just gonna say cursive because the line connected. And you can say traditional style, or I sometimes say old school style. So I'm gonna teach you how to write 흘림체. It looks really cool, and a lot of people they do it as tattoo lettering. All right, let's write first 틀. I'll show you the regular way, normal way to write 틀, and then I'll show you how to write 흘림체. This is 틀, okay? So I'll show you how to write 흘림체. It looks cool, right? What you need to do is, it's pretty much copper plate. It's pretty much like copper plate calligraphy, where you put press and release. Press and release. It's really important. 클. So I'm gonna write the regular way, normal font, and then modern font, and then 흘림체. That's my Cambria. This is a 클, so I'll show you the traditional way. This is cool, and I'm gonna write 흘. That is my Cambria, my lovely Cambria. She's from Canada. She was born in Vancouver, by the way. I'm gonna write 흘. Okay, all right. So 클, it's 틀, 클, 흘. I wrote these letters because these are difficult and also has a lower letter. So a lot of people have a hard time to balance them right. I'll write 난. This is normal way to write 난, and then I'll show you 흘림체. This is pretty cool. Here, look here. I'll write it again. So start from here. Looks cool, huh? Right. Okay, this is it. I'll show you how to write 흘림체. If you guys want more, then I'll make a long video later. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.